Okay, I need a little bit of flour on my surface because baguette in this stage is so sticky. And roll it and press it with the tip of my fingers. As you can see, this is the easiest method ever. You might hear the bubbles broken, and last part you can even push the air out of it. Little bit more flour and simply you just do the final shape. This is the classic shape of baguette. Okay, one more and that's it. Let me show you one more. Little bit of flour. Don't forget everywhere become dusty and floury. It's the way it is. If you don't like flour, you never become a good baker. The gas as much as we can. Little bit more of flour and try to roll it like a cigar. Roll and press, roll and press, roll and press, roll and press, like so. You see how beautiful this look like? And if it was an extra part, bring it here and press it. Then bit more of flour and final shape. That's it. If you like to see, this is my couche. It's a thick cotton to put your final shape baguette. Keep it unmoist and beautiful. The baguette goes for their final proof, which is in this case, I think not more than 30 minutes, I guess. We will check, we will do the poke test and see if it's ready or not. All right, I'm gonna stop the video and come back after 30 minutes to score it and to bake it. After about 30 minutes, time to score my baguettes and bake them. Bring it on the baking paper because it's easier, and like this you can transfer it even easier. Bring all of them. I can fit 5 small baguettes in my oven. Dust it with flour and score it like this. You must be quick and confident. Transfer into the oven and bake on baking stone or pizza steel, whatever you have. You can even bake it on an upside down tray. Create the steam, put boiling water, whatever you have, and 10 to 15 minutes with the steam, 10 to 15 minutes without steam, until it's golden brown. And look at it.